Hello all, welcome to Amara. Today we are going to learn to make two kathakali pendants with matching earrings using a single mold. This is the silicone mold which we are going to use today. Take the desired amount of clay and press it gently onto the mold. These molds I've purchased from clayspare.com. Make the surface even by pressing it gently. Take little water on your fingertips and smoothen the surface. Press it gently again and now demold it. This is the design which we get. Take a round cutter and cut the edge like this to give it a shape like this. This forms our pendant base. Now let's make some drop beads. You can make it prayer and keep. I've made small beads like this. Now I'm cutting the jewelry wire. I use jewelry wire of thickness 0.5 mm because that's enough for terracotta air dry clay since I'm not baking it. Now let's attach these U-pins onto the beads. So our drop beads are now ready. Just keep it aside. Let us attach hook to the pendant till it dries. So I'm attaching the hooks. Now the drop beads are dry. Let's take U-pins and attach it to the base of the pendant. Now this is the pendant. Now let's make the jhumkas for this pendant. I've taken a jhumka mold like this. I'm pressing my cone shaped tool onto it. Now demold it. This is our first jhumka. Repeat it for the second pair as well. Now both our jhumkas are ready. Let's make the studs for this jhumkas. For that I don't require the entire mold. I only require the face of the kathakali. So this forms the stud. I've just cut it using a round cutter. Now let's attach hooks to the base. I've also bent a wire like this and I'm going to attach it on top of the stud. So this forms our earring hanging. And now our jhumkas are little dry, that is the outer surface is dry. So I'm going to scoop out the extra clay. Make sure that the outer surface of the jhumka is little dry, otherwise this would change the shape of the jhumka. So only scoop out the excess once the outer surface is dry. It should not be complete dry, but it should be little dry so that it doesn't change the shape of the jhumka. Now let's attach a U-pin and attach the stud to the jhumka. Now let's keep it aside. We'll start making the second pendant design. For that we'll only use half of this mold. Now we use a round cutter and cut it like this. So this forms our pendant base for the second pendant. Now just like we did for the jhumka studs, we are going to repeat the same process to make matching earrings for this pendant. So I'm going to place the desired amount of clay, cut it using a round cutter and this forms our earrings. Now I'm going to make 3 drop beads, which I'm going to hang below the pendant as well as the stud earrings. Now attached hooks to the pendant. Let's attach the drop beads. Now the second pendant design is also ready. I'm attaching extra hooks because after it's dried and colored, I'm going to attach store-bought gungroos below. Now we'll attach drop beads to the jhumkas which we had made prior. I'm attaching 8 drop beads to each jhumka. Now the jhumkas are ready and the second pendant and earrings are also ready. So this is how, using a single mold, you can make as many designs as you want using your creativity. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.